If you do not like bananas, it is because they never prepared it for you like this. This recipe is quick, easy, and delicious. I will start cutting into not very large pieces 2 ripe bananas, or also known in some countries as plantain. These I have already removed the peel. Once cut, I will place it in a pot and add enough water to cover the bananas. I will also add a teaspoon of salt and move a little to incorporate it. Then cover and let cook for 10 minutes. While the ripe bananas are cooking, I'm going to grate 120 grams of mozzarella cheese. Guys, these arepas of Merito bananas are very easy to make and are very tasty. I am sure that everyone will like the result. After 10 minutes, I will puiare with a fork to see if they are ready, and as you can see and our ripe bananas are ready, I will remove it from the stove and I will drain all the water. Once all the water is drained, I will add it to a bowl and I will add half a tablespoon of butter, and with a potato crusher, I will crush it very well. When they are like this, I will add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, common, all use. I'm also going to add an egg to it, and half of the mozzarella cheese I've grated. Now with my hands, I will incorporate everything very well until I get a soft dough. At this time I would like to know, from what country or city you are looking at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Paloma Lopez from Cuba, also for Maria Barcia from Guatemala, and Hugo Esteban from Chile. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And this is how we should have the dough, a very soft dough. I will take a little of the dough and make a ball with it. Once the ball is done, I will place it on top of a piece of fit paper, although you can also use a plastic bag that is clean. Then I will put another piece of fit paper on top, and with a board I will crush it a little. And I'm going to mold it with a cup like this, in this way as I'm doing, so that they look very round and beautiful. This is how we should be, our arepa of ripe bananas. In a very hot pan, I will add it and let it cook on both sides for 5 minutes. If you've come this far looking at today's recipe, that means you're liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love arepas, to send you a very special greeting. And already our male banana arepas are ready. In total 7 of 2 bananas came out. Now I'm going to fill it. For this, with a cuchillo, I will open it in half, in this way as I am doing. Then I will add grated mozzarella cheese, from the half I had reserved, and quickly take it to the pan again until the cheese melts. And already our arepas of ripe bananas, stuffed with cheese, are ready. Look how delicious they look, but I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for seeing this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it is the first time that you see one of my recipes. And if so, do not forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so that you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.